Good afternoon, everybody. This is Casper from Enonic. Today I'll be looking at a topic that we recently covered in our blog, which is how to excel at content operations. We've had some really great input from Angus Edwardson of Gather Content, and here are 3 of his top tips how to excel at content ops. First of all, it's important that you start with people. Make sure that you involve all your key stakeholders, your teammates, but also ensure that you're focused on organizational culture. Second, it's important that you understand the needs of your organization and audience. And finally, the third tip is make sure that you keep it simple. Set up operational principles for your content and repeat and repeat and repeat. Now, if you have any questions on this article, please feel free to reach out to me. We can also share additional content as well. Thank you very much, and I look forward to making the next post. Okay.